Best Wi-Fi light switches.
Hello viewers, what's going on? Hope everything is going fine as before. I made this products list based on my personal opinion and tried to list them based on price, quality and features. If you want to see the prices and find out more information about this product, you can check out the links below in the video description. If you want to know which product will be the best for you, stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
At number 1. Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch. Controlling your light is easier with this Wi-Fi light switch, which can control lights using sunlight and sunset as schedule markers. The switch connects with Microsoft Cortana, Alexa, or Google Assistant to offer a voice control feature. If there are multiple smart switches in the home, each switch can have a unique name for easy control. Give the impression that there is someone home with the away mode, which randomly switches the light on and off to scare away intruders. The Kasa app allows the use of Android or iOS devices in controlling the switch. At number 2. Wemo Light Switch. There are so many features on this light switch, but IFTTT web service also gives the opportunity to make improvements. Special functions like blinking the lights in the home, turning off lights and fans when leaving, and more can be programmed into the switch. The switch also activates through voice control from the Google Assistant or with Amazon Alexa. Another app which gives full control of the device along with other cool features is Nest. Use scenes like sunset or sunlight to automatically turn lights on or off, and also utilize the away mode for protection. At number 3. Ankuoo Neo Light Switch. Program the switch to turn lights on or off at different times during the day. This can also be an anti-theft setting, which creates the illusion that there is someone in the home with lights going on and off at irregular time intervals. Controlling the switch can be through a smartphone using the Neo app, which allows the control of several switches. There is also an invisible feature to prevent access to the switch by outsiders. Once set up, if necessary, other devices can control the switch as long as they share a Wi-Fi network. At number 4. Philips 473371 Hue Dimmer Switch. In addition to controlling by simply pressing, this switch comes with a remote, so control can be from any location in the home. With the Wi-Fi connectivity, pairing with Google Assistant, Amazon HomeKit, or Google Alexa is also possible. This gives a voice control feature in controlling the switch. It also works with other Hue accessories like the Hue Motion Sensor, Hue Bridge, and Hue Tap for better lighting experience. The switch comes with batteries and uses magnets to connect to all plates. This makes it easy to detach if there is a need to carry around.